Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a melting warp shake effects to your edited videos in CapCut. So here you can just prepare your clips and import them to CapCut, and after that just click on the transition box in between the clips, click on the overlay category and then select the melting warp effect. So there are two options, so you can just choose which one and adjust it to 0.3 seconds. Click on the check icon and now click on the second clip and go to animation, and in here under the in category select the turbulence animation, this one. Adjust it also for 0.3 seconds. Click on the check icon and you are done. This is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks or like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.